hate myself for eating this. How ironic, man. Sometimes I'm tired and I just want to throw a quick dinner like this. No. Boiled zucchini is actually tasteless. Don't boil it. This day the weather in Tokyo has been really cold and it's not really nice like the first time in here. And yeah, the rain actually resembles Singapore a lot in the sense that it's really wet, also clean and a bit windy. I don't like it though. This girl woke up after I left the dorm and she still comes to school at the same time as me. I feel like I have to be constantly finishing my tasks and to-do list all the time. And when I feel like I'm off track, like, oh, today I haven't finished my homework, or I didn't do this video on time, it feels a little bit like, you know, I feel a bit stressed out because I'm not doing things as according to what I planned. But the other thing is I feel really grateful to have my cousin who is living in Japan, and his family is also here, and I often come by for dinner at weekends, and I feel really glad like I have a small little family here I can just look forward to and feel really comfortable going there. Bacon goodness and fried eggplant. Strawberry.
The doors on the right side will open.
Hey, that's my school. I found a new way to school now. Awesome. Just I don't know whether I can get out of this area or not. Cần một cái gì đấy. Chỉ một xóa xe hàn. Cái đấy quen lắm. Japanese potato. Đây là khoai to. Look at her face. Look at the potato. It's bigger than her. Sợi nắng xuyên qua đây. Tất nhiên ở bên kia rẽ vừa nãy.
Tasting melon spaghetti actually is not as good as it looks. It's just not salty enough. But edible. Going to be a beautiful day today. I don't want to wake